First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, it's starting to warm up, but the winds are starting to pick up too, as expected, ahead of our big storm system that is going to, well, just kind of wreak havoc over the weekend over a large part of this, or at least the eastern half of the United States. Right now, things are calm, but the winds are ramping up and so are the temperatures. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar showing 55 degrees. And a clean sweep all around the area. As we take a look at temperatures around the mesonet sites, we're showing mainly 50s and mid-50s, even some upper 50s beginning to show up, like 57 in Columbia, 59, almost 60 there in Albany already, 55 in Scottsville, 56 in Elkton, 58 up in Hartford. Everybody starting to feel the warmer air now coming up out of the south. In fact, here are the current wind gusts at those mesonet sites, and we're seeing 20 to 25 mile per hour wind gust, a 19 mile per hour gust here in Bowling Green. There's a 25 there in Glasgow. All that winds coming out of the southwest. That means the Gulf of Mexico is starting to open up now. We can see evidence of that moisture in some of the high clouds that we're noticing here from our weather cam. Notice the sky starting to become a little bit more opaque as you head off to the west and northwest of us as we're looking from I-65. And from time to time, we're seeing some mid-level clouds, and you can see those clouds really just moving along at a pretty good pace, moving off to the north and northeast. That's because of the upper winds that are fairly strong, and we're just getting those winds a little died down from the upper winds are much stronger than what we're getting here at the surface. And it's going to be that way for the next several days. 55 right now, winds from the south-southwest at 14 miles per hour. Here's the view now from Glasgow. Temperature at 56 under a mostly sunny sky in Barron County, Munfordville and Hart County at 56 as well. And you're seeing some of those high clouds off in the distance. Franklin, seeing a mostly sunny sky. Temperature is at 53 in Simpson County. And from the Mammoth Cave National Park weather cam, we're seeing 56 degrees, a few more clouds now starting to move there into Edmonson County. 55 is our current temperature here in Bowling Green, 60 already in Little Rock. Off to the north, temperatures are mainly in the 40s, but that warmer air is going to penetrate even that far north into places like Ohio and Indiana and even southern Michigan. In fact, look at this. Temperatures running 18 to 22 degrees warmer than yesterday at this hour. We're 15 degrees warmer than at midday yesterday. And that anticipation for the heavy rain event that we're looking for the weekend already, a number of flood watches and advisories up, flash flood watches and flood watches from Indianapolis through St. Louis down through parts of Missouri into Arkansas. Later, we'll begin to see even a severe weather threat breaking out in parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, maybe even West Tennessee as we get closer to Friday night into Saturday, and maybe even some of these flood watches extending further east. But when you look at the radar in those same areas, there's nothing happening right now. So this is just giving folks advance warning as to what's coming, because the setup here is a classic one. We've got high pressure moving east, Gulf of Mexico opening up. That means the moisture is going to stream northward. That's why the winds now are beginning to pick up a little stronger from the south. We'll notice an increase in cloud cover as we get into tonight. And I think we're going to stay dry until after midnight. Then we'll begin to see the first wave or impulse of low pressure riding along that very slow moving front. And we'll mainly tomorrow see scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. Not the really heavy rain stuff yet. That will come as that one impulse passes by. The front gets closer, and here comes another wave of low pressure, and the first of several to follow. And look at all the heavy rain back to the south and west. That's what's going to come through here on Saturday night into early Sunday. There could be some strong storms, but I think still the main threat is going to be heavy rain and flooding potential for us. Mostly sunny, breezy, warm, 60 today, high clouds increasing. A chance of a shower overnight tonight, 48. Then tomorrow, windy and warm, a high of 64. The main threat of showers tomorrow just scattered. The better chance of heavy rain 100% Saturday, near record high of 70 for the first day of winter. And then showers gradually subsiding Sunday, turning colder. Looks like Christmas Eve, Christmas Day here will be sunny and cool, highs in the 40s. Back with more Midday Live in just a minute.